Hello everyone, this dip has all the flavors of a pumpkin pie without having to deal with all those crust ingredients and an oven. Starting off with 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, add to that 2 cups of powdered sugar and blend it together until it's nice and creamy and smooth. It's a lot easier if your cream cheese is at room temperature. And then try not to eat this with a spoon. Then we'll add the pumpkin. That is a 15-ounce can of pumpkin. It is not pumpkin pie filling. This is not sweet. It's just straight pumpkin. Then we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that is 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and it is blended together. And when you're done blending, taste it, and if you think it needs more pumpkin pie spice, put a little bit more in. And you're done. That's it. As a little bonus here, I'm going to show you what I did to my apple and pear slices I used to serve with this dip. Apples, as you know, when you cut them, they start to get brown fairly quickly. So what you can do is take 4 cups of water, add a half a teaspoon of salt, stir it until the salt dissolves, and then cut up your fruit and then add it to the lightly salted water. Let it sit for about 5-6 minutes and then drain them and put them in a Ziploc bag. Take out as much air as you can. And then just put them in the fridge until you're ready to use them. And you can keep your fruit from turning brown for a few hours this way. And no, you won't taste the salt very much. It's very, very light. If you're serving with a dip, no one's going to notice. Now about the dip is delicious. It tastes just like pumpkin pie, but maybe a little bit better. You don't need all that Cool Whip. And it goes great with graham wafer crackers. I used Nilla wafers and some fruit. Brought this to work. Everybody loved it. The only thing I'm going to tell you about this is that it makes a giant pile of dip. So if you have a small family in a regular small family gathering, I would cut this recipe in half and you'll still have lots. Thanks for watching. Pumpkin everywhere this time of year. If you're looking for more recipes that use pumpkin, check out my playlist right on your screen or in the description box below or the description box on the side. I don't know where it'll be when you watch this, but check it out. Bye-bye.